Okay guys, we're doing an unboxing today. I got a Nexvey Flash Pro. We're gonna go ahead and get it unboxed. I've been running around running errands, doing stuff all day, but I was super excited to get her unboxed, so we're gonna jump straight into it. And off rip, I know that this is gonna be the most powerful e-bike that I have so far, and I know they say that every time, but it's really just comparison to comparison to comparison. It seems like every time they just get a little bit more powerful. So y'all, they sent me some stickers to decorate her. Love that. And you know what? Let me go ahead and knock this out. So we got her put together, battery in. It does got the screen. Turn it on. Real nice screen. You do have the little NFC pieces to unlock it. Go ahead and touch that and you're good. So hold on, so y'all can see this light. So you got your different variations, whichever one you like. Of course, you got your different modes on the screen. I'll bring the camera closer so y'all can see that. But we're gonna go for a little test ride before it gets too dark. We losing sunlight, so let's go. So this is Willie. We'll say Willie. Serious Willie attempt number 1. I've been out here sort of playing around with it. You did have to unlock that mode. It's mode number 4. So we did that. Bike's supposed to come straight up and balance there. We gonna see if she does what they say she's supposed to do.